On our previous vlog, we visited some amazing places to eat, shop, and enjoy the ride around the city of Vancouver.
Yan, open na sila.
But in today's vlog, we will go beyond the city and explore the exciting places in our first stop, Capilano Suspension Bridge Park. The park is 15-minute drive from downtown Vancouver or more than 9 kilometers in distance.
Bueno maano, baka papamay pa yung mga bills. Para swerte. Oh, free ang kapote. Yes, buti na lang.
Kung mapapansin ninyo no, na maulan ngayon, at dahil nga dyan, ang area na to sa Capilano ay tinuturing na rainforest dito sa west coast ng Canada. Ito ay isang uri ng temperate rainforest na ang ibig sabihin ay ang temperatura nito ay hindi gaanong malamig o hindi naman gaano kainit, ngunit katamtaman lang. Madalas makakaranas ng mula 200 to 250 mm o kabuuang 8 feet ang taas ng ulan sa loob ng isang taon. Kaya naman kung mapapansin niyo no, makapal yung tubo ng mga halaman dito at talagang matataas yung mga puno. Ang rainforest kasi ay napakalagang lugar di lamang sa mga diverse plants at mga hayop, ngunit pati na rin sa mga tao. Dahil nga ang rainforest ay nagbibigay ng malinis na hangin, lugar para makapag-relax at pati na rin sa mga taong nagre-recharge ng creative energy nila.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Morning. Oh my God, look at that.
Ang taas ng bridge na ito mula sa ibaba ay humigit kumulang 70 meters or 230 feet. At sa ilalim ng bridge na ito ay makikita ang Capilano River na dumadaloy naman pupunta sa Capilano Canyon. Na ito rin ang umuhubog sa Capilano Canyon magpahanggang ngayon. Mula 1889, iba't ibang kilalang personalidad na rin ang bumisita dito mismo sa Capilano Suspension Bridge. Mga celebrities, mga dignitaries at icons na naka-experience na tawirin ang bridge na ito na may habang 450 feet or 137 meters. Katulad na dyan nila Margaret Thatcher, Marilyn Monroe, maging ang hari ng Yugoslavia at marami pang iba. For me, sobrang beneficial itong place na to no, dahil unang-una, detach ka sa ingay at stress ng city. At dito talaga namang makaka-relax ka. Kahit umuulan, hindi mo iindahin yon dahil walang pollution and fresh ang air. Wala kang iniisip kundi pakinggan yung nagaslas ng tubig, yung mga huni ng ibon, at pagmasdan yung mga maliliit na insekto o yung mga hayop na makikita mo na patalon-talon dun sa mga puno, katulad ng squirrel. Kaya nga, napakaswerte ng mga taga Vancouver no, dahil almost 20 minutes lang mararating na nila itong malaak paraisong lugar na ito sa parte ng British Columbia.
Picture kita dito. Dito ka.
Do you know that rainforest canopy is actually made up of 4 different areas, each with its own microhabitats, and these are lower, middle, upper, and emergent canopies. The lower canopy is a dark and moist environment where you can find most of the animals, including carpenter ants and Douglas squirrels. While emergent canopy has the treetops, and the upper canopy support hundreds of bird species such as the bald eagle, American robin, even brown bats at night. Kung bibisita kayo sa forest na to, makakita kayo ng mga nesting sa mga branches ng puno, at kung madadaanan nyo naman yung mga pond, maaari rin kayong makakita ng iba't ibang isda. Yun nga lang, no, medyo mailap yung mga nasabing hayop na to dahil ayaw nila ng mga ingay or tao, pero kung oobserbahan mo or papakinggan nyo sila ng mabuti, at talaga namang mag-i-enjoy kayo pag nakita nyo sila. Exciting ang aming activity today kasi we witnessed the suspension bridge. As you can see, nakita niyo yung river, di ba, yung rapids. Exciting siya dahil 200 plus feet yung taas niya mula dun sa baba. And then we have seen also some treetops, nandun yung mga canopy, and kahit na maulan ngayon, okay lang kasi feel mo pa rin yung nature, malamig. Yan. Do you know that one tree can have 1,500 insects living on and in it? Some experts believe that there may even be 10 million species in the world. Wow. Imagine, no? Ang taas. Mahawakan man lang yung 400 to 800 years old na trees. Sulit na. Oh my God. More than 200 feet tall ang tree na ito. Relaxing. Grabe. Ngayon naman, nandito tayo sa raptors area ng forest. Sayang, no, dahil wala pa ngayon yung mga staff para ipakita nila sa atin yung mga raptors na magbibigay kaalaman tungkol sa mga ibon at iba't ibang species nito. Sinasabi nila na pag hindi bumisita ang mga raptors dito sa park, they're just flying somewhere. Remember guys, raptors are not pets. Raptors Ridge is an educational facility dedicated to public education of raptors and conservation wildlife. Usually, the raptors you may see on the presentation go back to Raptors Ridge facility each evening and different raptors return the next day. Alam nyo ba na ang bald eagles na makikita nyo sa lugar na ito ay may 7,000 balahibo sa kanilang katawan? According to David Suzuki, biologists believe that more than half of the Earth's plants and animals live in the rainforest. The trees and plants absorb and store carbon and provide us with clean air to breathe. Do you know that bald eagle's vision is at least 4 times sharper than a human's? In fact, they can spot a meal from 100 meters away. Eagles usually fly at an altitude of 10,000 feet and they can dive up to 100 miles per hour. We're back! There are a few important reminders that visitors must follow to avoid expulsion from the park or serious or fatal injury. Number 1, you have to stay on the designated trails and walkways. Number 2, smoking is prohibited.
Cliffwalk.
Number 3, remember that walkways may be slippery and wet. Number 4, parents or guardians must supervise those who are under their care.
Dahan-dahan at madulas ang daan.
If you are on the bridge, Treetops adventure, and Cliffwalk, running, jumping, or intentionally shaking the bridges are not allowed. Babies should be carried below the level of the railing or in a purpose-designed child-carrying device. Strollers, wheelchairs, or crutches are not permitted. And you have to hold small children by the hand.
$10. Para sa atin. Isa lang.
Ganda oh.
Yung HH yung jacket,
Oh,
50% off.
talaga? Magkano naman? That's it, guys. Hope you liked our tour today. Our journey is not over yet, and stay tuned for another adventure here in British Columbia. See you next time. Bye! That's it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Trip ni Mike. Like this video by clicking the thumbs up down below and hit the notification bell for more updates. Follow nyo na rin po ako sa social media accounts like Twitter and Instagram at Trip ni Mike. Like my Facebook page, Trip ni Mike. Thank you for watching. See you again!